everyone. Today we will study strategic analysis. Strategic analysis, it is a concept in management in which we analyze the environment strategically. Okay, analysis is the critical thinking. Analysis in simple way, it is the critical starting point. From here it starts and from here it ends. Okay, analysis is the critical starting point of strategic thinking. Critical starting point of strategic thinking. So introduction. In introduction, we'll learn what is this strategic analysis. So the strategic management process after deciding the vision, mission and goals and objectives of an organization turns its focus to scanning of environment in which all organizations are working as subsystem. The environmental scanning covers both. So in scanning, two things are included: external environment and internal environment. The scanning of external environment. The scanning of external environment leads to the identification of opportunities and threats thrown open to organization. In external environment, we deal with the opportunities. There are opportunities, there are threats which are just open. While the internal analysis leads to the study of strength and weakness, which will decide as to what extent each company is going to capitalize the opportunities and threats thrown open to them. Now we'll study what is situational analysis. In strategic analysis, there is a concept which is called as situational analysis. What is this? Look, all business organizations operate in which environment? Macro environment. Shaped by, who shapes this macro environment? All business organizations operate in a macro environment. Okay, shaped by influences emanating from which the organization is operating. Organization operates in economy. Okay, in macro environment. So emanating from the economy at large, population demographics, societal values and lifestyles, governmental legislation and regulations, technological factors and so on. These are the governing factors, in which business organization operates. Business organization operates in macro environment. These factors which I have mentioned have been discussed already. Okay, so an organization's macro environment includes all relevant factors. And then what else is written here? And influences outside its boundaries that have a bearing on its direction, objectives, strategies and business model. So these macro environmental factors, what does this have role in an organizations? Definitely it impacts organizations' directions, objectives, goals, strategy and business model. Most importantly, business model. For the most part, influences coming from macro environment have a low impact on a company's business situation. Okay, so and shape only the edges of the organization's direction and strategy. Okay, here it is saying influences which are coming from macro environment have low impact. Definitely it have impact, but it have low impact. Where on companies' situations, on companies' business situations, it have low impact and shape, and it shapes only the edges. This is organization. Okay, this is wait a minute. This is an organization. Okay, so what macro environment will do? These external influences will only shape the company. It will only shape the edges of the company, edges of the organization, direction and strategy. So there are notable exceptions though. Okay, there are certain exemptions. Okay, there are enough strategically relevant trends and development in the macro environment to justify a watchful eye. As organizational manager scan the external environment. Now we have to consistently scan the external environment. So manager do this. They must watch. Who? Managers must watch for potentially important environmental forces. Important environment forces. Managers need to see this, okay? Assess their impact and influence on their organization and adapt its direction. Adapt its direction and strategy as needed, okay? However, the factors and forces in a company's macro environment, this is a company, and around this these are the macro environmental forces. These are the macro environmental factors influences the company, okay, and it will only shape the direction and strategy. However, the factors and forces in a company's macro environment having the biggest strategy shaping impact almost always pertain to the organization's immediate industry and competitive environment. So the impact is almost pertaining to organization's immediate industry and competitive environment. Look, we are working, an organization is working in an environment, so that this environment is not simple, it's not at all plain and simple. This environment is complex, this environment is competitive. So so these strategies shaping in impact almost always pertain to the organization's immediate industry and competitive environment. Now, some form of analysis should form an essential part of any business plan, okay, and should be reviewed over time to ensure that it is kept current, okay. So analysis must be done on a continuous basis, and it forms an essential part of business plan and should be reviewed. You should check all it time to time, and it should be kept current, not at past, not at future. You have to review your business plan, your analysis, okay. A preliminary introduction as to what to take into account when conducting an analysis and provide a checklist of the important factors to consider are: what are the certain factors which must be kept on your mind whenever you are conducting an strategic analysis of an environment of business? So there are four factors, okay. Four important factors you have to consider when you are analyzing the business and its environments. The first one is environmental factor, the basic one. So the first one is environmental factors. You have to consider, okay, what environmental factors means. There are two factors in environmental factor: internal and external factors. So these factors, the factors are there that needs to be taken into account. This can include economic, political, geographical, demographic, sociological factors that have a bearing on company's performance. Opportunity and issue analysis must also be kept in your mind when you are conducting an strategic analysis of a company. Opportunity and issue analysis. What is this opportunity and issue analysis? What are the current opportunities that are available in the market? Okay, opportunities that are available in the market, the main threats that business is facing, the main threats which the business is currently facing, and that may face in future. The strength that the business can rely on, any weakness that may affect the business performance. Okay. Now, competitive situation is the third factor you have to consider while doing strategic analysis of a company. What is this competitive situation? Analyze main competitors of organizations. Who are your competitors? Who are your rivals? Okay. Who are they? What are they up to? How do they compare? Make comparison. What are their competitive and advantages? Okay, what are they good at? Okay, analyze their strength and weakness. Look, here we have to see our strength and weakness, and at the same time we have to see the competitors, our rivals' strength and weakness also. Then only we can survive in this competitive environment. Now, last and the fourth point to consider while doing strategic analysis, that is product situation. So product situation means the details about your product, your current product, not your past product. We are doing analysis of a current product and current environment. So you need to put details about your current product. Details about current product may be divided into such parts such as, okay, now this is your product. Now it can be divided into core product and supporting or secondary services, like I have to deliver this delivery service, okay, or products that also make up what you sell. It is also important to observe these in terms of its different parts in order to be able to relate this back to core needs of customers. You have to also see the core needs of the customer, what customer wants. Okay, this was situational analysis. Okay, where we studied situational analysis and its impact, its influences, macro environment, and the important factor which you have to consider, important four factors which you have to consider while doing strategic analysis. Okay, environmental factors, opportunities, and issue analysis. Then and the third point is competitive situation, and the last point is product situation. Okay,